Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. The dynamics of the Ndibos are so unique that one person cannot just come and take the in their main kind of role in the southeast. They just have a way of putting you in your position, and this has brought up a lot of things ever since the creation of Ebube Ago, and a lot of groups, southeastern group, have come up to say a lot, and that has also brought us to a lot of silent information that when were always silent, but now it's being exposed. But before we go to the newspaper, I would like you to subscribe to our to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you see bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as well as update our channel on YouTube, where there have been division in Southeast over the recent announcements of the security outfit for the region by their governors named Ebube. The movement for the actualization of the sovereign state of Biafra, MASSOB, has said that the Southeast Governor's security outfit is not in existence anywhere. Now, this is where a quick one. MASSOB had actually said they're going to give 5,000 of their men, to support Ibubagho. Now, the same MASSOB is now saying that they don't believe that security outfit is in existence anywhere in the Southeast. Now, the question is, what is MASSOB, or who is MASSOB, or who is leading MASSOB? Too many distorted information in the same source. We'll find out in the moment why this is so. But the Igbo National Council, INC, said that it preferred the Eastern Security Network, that's ESN, floated by the indigenous people of Biafra, to be utilized by Igbo as its regional security outfit as against the Ebubago. What MASSOB leader Uchenna Madu said that the statement credited to the group within the week asking Southeast and South youth to join Ebubago was not from their stable. He linked it to the Biafran independent movement, that's BIM, led by Chief Raf Wazurike. He said that MASSOB was open to collaboration with Ebubago if there was actually something on ground and the people were given 100% control of the outfit. So his purported support for Ebubago was neither here nor there. Madu said MASSOB has never supported Ebubago wholeheartedly. The statement that was credited to MASSOB was not made by us. It was from some people that tried to hijack the name MASSOB. The Biafran Independent Movement, BIM, of which Uwazurike is the leader. They always try to attach name MASSOB to their statement, but the whole world knows they are BIM. But what we have said is this: MASSOB will support Ebubago if only our people will have 100% control of it, not Abuja or Fulani cabals. And before we support Ebubago, we must discuss, dialogue, and reason together. It's not on the pages of newspapers. The MASSOB leader emphasized that Ebubago was a mere pronouncement by the governors as a quick response to a series of violent activities in Igbo land, mainly by Fulani headsmen and other criminals. He urged that there was no way a regional security outfit could come to being without involving stakeholders in the zone. Up till now, as far as I'm concerned, the stakeholders, the people that matter concerning security matters, have not sat to discuss about Ebubago. I learned that they are planning to sit, during which all the pro-Biafran groups will be invited. Madu described ESN as a child of necessity that should be likened to self-defense. We are not against ESN. So far, they have been operating and we are seeing what they are doing. So we don't condemn our own. So people are against ESN because of the way it was formed or because it has no legal backup. But when the matter is about life and death, legality or illegality of it is rubbish. You have to secure the lives of our people and their property first before you'll be talking of it's legal or illegal. ESN is a kind of self-defense. We have been pushed to the wall, and as I'm talking to you, there is another security outfit, the mother of all security outfits from Igbo land, Igbo native security backed up, Igbo native security backed up with Igbo nativity is coming on the way. It is still on the ground. I will not talk about it. That security will take care of everything because many things will be involved in it. Not only arms, not only armed security, many things concerning the Igbo will be involved. It shall be called Ekumeke, Ekumeku. Hey, Ekumeku. The gods will be, oh, Ekumeku. The gods will be involved, our ancestors will be involved, because we want to eradicate violence, criminality from our land, because the way the Fulanis are coming, the Fulanis are not only operating on their own. We have now found out that the federal government is fully and 100% in support of them. They are being sponsored by federal government, so we have to apply every source, both spiritual, orthodox, unorthodox, everything to make sure we secure our land, he stated. Meanwhile, National President of INC, Chelos Gossen, has noted that ESN is pro-Igbo nation vigilante security outfit, while the Ibubago, according to him, is an anti-Igbo, allegedly being sponsored by the Fulani elites. Also, he noted that ESN is guided by principles and indigenous to the Igbo nation and self-sponsored. Commissioner for Internal Security and Border Peace, Stanley Okoro Egbega, said that governors from the zone have taken steps to make clause backing the outfit, including getting the federal government to fund it. He said the Southeast governors are knowledgeable in law. That is why they have taken measures to back up the outfit with law. The Ebonyi, we have commenced the process of recruiting young and patriotic Ebonians into the outfit. However, elder statesman and senior advocate of Nigeria, Chief Mike Ahamba, aligned with Ebubago against the ESN, because according to him, the ESN is an illegal body. They are undercover and nobody knows actually who formed it. Wow, this is strong. Now we now know that there's going to be another security outfit called a Kumeko. Hey, yeah. This is getting different. How many now? We have ESN, we have Ebubago, another small one like Ijago. Yes, there's Ijago to a vigilante group, before ESN was formed, Ijago was formed actually. Then now Ekumeko. Ekumeko now is now embodiment of everything. Diabolic, orthodox, spiritual, armed, everything. But the question now is, all these security outfits form, are they going to work in synergy? Because if now MASSOB is trying to, MASSOB led by Madu, said they are going to bring the model of all security outfits in Southeast and it's going to call a Kumeko. Are they aligning with ESN? Would they align with ESN? Would they be acceptable by the people? So that at the end of the day, these 4 or 3 groups now and the 4th one coming up will not end up, fighting amongst themselves. That's what we are saying. Roundtable discussion. The people these are things that should be sorted out by the Southeasterners themselves outside the radar of Nigeria, because that region belongs to them and the stakeholders should be fully represented 100%. Like some persons have been saying, if the federal government is going to fund Ibubago, there is no way that they will not get full intel so that they will know, federal government will know what they are funding. So keep telling us how far you have gone with security personnel or security issues in your region. So the people, the top leaders in Ebubago will have to be given full details on their activities. So you now understand why IPOB is now saying they feel that Ebubago is not for the people.